Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be making some jewelry. So in today's video we're going to be making some jewelry, I don't know, whatever, you get it. Can't speak. Firstly I want to talk about how we're going to be doing this. So as a child I had a habit of collecting a lot of beads and stuff, like whatever, like whenever a bracelet broke or something I used to take all the beads out and choose my favorite one and like store it in a place. So I have a collection of beads and they are too cool not to be used. So here's an ASMR of my beads. Second thing we could be using are like the older friendship bands. Like I'm gonna be showing a clip of the friendship bands I have. Like there are about 5,000 or 6,000, and I don't know. I don't even have 5 friends at this point in my life, and I don't know how I've had so many friendship bands over the years. Okay, so just look at my collection, but whatever, it's beneficial right now because we're gonna be making jewelry out of that. Thirdly, just go to any damn stationery shop. Like I went to a stationery shop and they gave me like 200 300 beads. Like I'll insert a clip of like 20 bucks each, 20 rupees, like rupees 20 rupees of like beads. I bought like 4 to 5 different ones. And the main thing you need is going to be a elastic. This shit, this, you're gonna be using this, you're gonna be needing this. So this is how we're gonna be making the first necklace. The first one is a pearl necklace. Pearls you can get anywhere. Any damn stationery shop has like the plastic, acrylic, pearls, whatever you want. Any damn stationery shop, trust me. It's not like, it's not even like 20 or 30 bucks. What you're gonna be doing is just like measuring the elastic around your neck and just keep adding pearls. That's it. That's the pearl necklace. I haven't really. And just, if you guys are using the same elastic thread that I am, please make sure to tie this shit around 27 to 32 times, because it's going to untie itself. Like I was trying the necklace on and all these little shits fell down all over the room. Here we see, amazing. I look like I'm wearing real pearls. Does it look like I'm wearing real pearls? Because it does. A 30 buck necklace looking like it's 30k. So for the next necklace, we're again going to be using the stationery ingredients, the stationery pearls. So I found these really cool gold beads. I'm going to beautiful, like they, if you look at them like in the plastic packet, it's going to look, what the heck is this? They look like golden ants or something. But trust me, when I put them together on the elastic, so here's the necklace. See, it's half gold and half pearls. And here also, do not forget to tie it. These little bitches have also fallen down. I don't even want to start. So here's the second necklace. Let's try it. My hair is getting messed up. So here's the second necklace. It looks so damn good. These were 20 bucks, these were 20 bucks, but these are not all of them. So I'd say that this neck piece is like 35 bucks or something. The next necklace is kind of weird. Like there are 4 colors in this necklace. Here's a necklace. It's pretty good. Like if you're wearing just like a white plain shirt or something, you can jazz it up. Here you go. Okay, so for the next necklace I decided to like remove all my favorite pink cute small beads and I separated them, and I used a fresh water kind of looking pearls, like the plastic ones, of course. But they're like $20, and I removed my pink beads, and I just made this beautiful beauty. I think it looks very, very princessy kind of, like, look at it, it's so pretty. Like, okay, so for the last necklace, it's the best one. I've saved the best for the last, and it's actually, like, I'd say revamped, refurbished, recycled, sustainable. Yeah, not completely sustainable, but yeah. So I had this old gold necklace, not gold, but yeah, you get it. And the chain was pretty damn rusted. It didn't look good at all. The pendant was pretty damn. The pendant was pretty good, like in good quality still. So I decided to remove the pendant of the rusted chain. I decided to make my own chain. So I added the gold beads that I talked about earlier, and this is what it looks like. This literally, oh my god, anybody please tell me this looks like it's a 24 karat gold necklace. Like, oh my god, like, here's what it looks like. Oh my god, please tell me you can see how beautiful this looks. I think it looks like I'm wearing a 24 karat gold necklace, drip on my neck. Oh my god, oh my god, dude, I'm rich. This looks like a 69 rupee necklace. No, it doesn't. It looks like a 69,000 buck necklace, bitch. 69,000 drip on my neck. Yo, shut up. Okay, this is the first bracelet. It's this one, like just the same one. It's just a little different. Like, it's cute. It's pink. Like, whenever I wear this, I'm gonna be wearing this necklace along with it. It's pretty normal. And I made this really colorful necklace. I don't know which outfit this is gonna match. Like, it's gonna match like a white or a black outfit. And the final is a ring. Okay, so I've been seeing these rings all over social media. The big chunky rings. Like, so currently I'm obsessed with the color brown. Like, if y'all watch my videos, y'all know. I shouldn't forget the fact that I have 150 subscribers, but okay, I'm famous. So I love the color brown, and I have a few brown outfits planned for the future. So I just took a brown heart bead and put gold beads around. Here's the ring. Oh my gosh, please don't tell me you think this doesn't look like it's a beautiful brown 2000s inspired ring. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, this was $50,000. $50,000. That's so cheap. It's so cheap. Amazon has pretty good stuff, so just like go on Amazon and type beads. You're gonna find a lot of beads. So that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want a part 2, and do like, share, subscribe, follow me on my Instagram. And sorry for the weird accent, and some people are gonna be super mad about the fact that I'm faking an accent. It's fine. You guys can think that. What the fuck am I doing?